Yes, me there again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you. Big up, respect and manners to each and every one. Alright, so first things first, my people. I am going to present a video to you, and I want to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video. Now, in my point of view, a person we can hear talking in this video talk about municipal police. And in the video, the person also said words that includes as a police and other words as well. You see what I said? So listen carefully and tell me what to think about the words that this person said. Observe.
So, you know, this, I'm not gonna lie, this taste for the
Listen.
And as a police, based on me, I say, brother, it's very upsetting.
Yeah, yeah.
Why the municipal police them always got road go forward people them way there. Always a question or something there.
Listen.
It's as if some of them don't have no compassion at all for nobody at all. You have to be careful how you treat people out the road, because then same people that we are trying to lick down with button up. And then we them same little market people will save you one day if a boy shot you in your ass out the road and you drop down.
Okay.
Can't go around go create enemy out the road, so brother.
Okay.
I mean I say this as a police. We don't have time to go out the road, go fool around and look up them little people there, brother. A gunman we go on road for. Boy we are sell gun, boy we are rob, rape and kill them the people that we go on road for. Never issue a ticket yet, my lad. And when we see them something, man, it's very upsetting, man. Yes, the people they might wrong, yes. For the out there so in a space there. Fine, me understand. But everybody have a rough, brother.
Listen.
You can't behave like tyrant towards the people them so.
Listen.
You understand? A man have compassion for people out there. You can't do that. Yes, you wrong to raise the cutlass to chop him there, I said, but I understand why they raising cutlass. You understand? And he forced the regular police, you know, one local spot where you have to fire and gun, and that one I think them all out. Every time you have an issue with the people in the market and the municipal police, the regular police have to force the regular police to act because the municipal police are behave like tyrant. This needs to be corrected, my lad. I tell you, we can now go top.
Alright, sir.
You understand? You could have easily avoided, you know, deal with the people them good, they wouldn't get that the reaction from nobody.
Alright, sir.
That, you messed up, man. Jano, you go out the road, you have to have compassion upon the small man, because 90% of the time, the small man give you information out the road from criminal. You think of people them with the upper St. Andrew driving big vehicle past at the time?
Okay.
No. I do look at man sell the bag juice on the roadside. I do look at Higgler will sell the skilla and the old man them. When can't commit it in any way. And then they look at people like pinch the police one away and I say, officer, you know, sir, the boy they do it on railway. So I have to respect them look at people, my lad.
Alright, sir.
You understand? I tell you, say, man.
My people, enough time me say this. On and off camera, you have good police and you have bad police, my people. So I say, the amount of videos we see on social media that shows confrontations and all kind of hostile situations between the municipal police and vendors, my people. Now listen to me, see? In my point of view, the person where you're talking in the video was talking about a certain situation. That's in my point of view, as well as the person that talk about municipal police. Yes, what I say? Now listen this again now, see? I saw two separate videos on social media that shows some things that happened during two separate situations or during two separate incidents. And I think that the person who you can hear talking in the video that I just presented to you might be talking about one of those situations or incidents that you can see in one of those videos that I saw. Now, I am not able to find the video for one of those situations because that video that I saw happened some time ago, or the video shows a situation that happened some time ago. But here's a screenshot of one of those situations that have been recorded on video, right? Here's a screenshot. You understand me? And if you have any idea or any understanding of which incident or situation that you think the person we can hear talking in the video was talking about, leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know what you think. Yeah, so me say two separate situations that involves the municipal police and vendors in two separate videos, and I wonder if the person we can hear in that video was talking about any of those situations. My people, and I real me agree with a lot of the words or a lot of things that the person said in that video. Yes, what me I say, and I only hope that somehow at some point certain issues between vendors and law enforcers can somewhat be resolved in a better way. Because a whole heap of videos out there show quite a number of confrontations and hostile situations that happen between vendors and municipal police or law enforcers then. You see me I say? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. Now when it comes on to the Road Traffic Act, viewers and subscribers, I have some things I want to say, viewers and subscribers, but before I say certain things, I'm going to present a video to you, and I want you to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video and tell me what I think about the words that the person said in this video. Observe, my people.
Alright, so we are coming from work since night, right? After a long day at work. And when we reach on Waterloo Road, we get to realize, say, one of my headlights is gone. So me I say, Jano, if police see me in the night, them are gonna stop me, you know. And even if me I try to explain, say, yo, the light just blow out, probably them not gonna believe. Cause in truth and in fact, me don't drive with one headlight.
Listen.
Anytime you know so one of my light them gone, me try to go sort it out ASAP because that's a serious something.
Listen.
Anyways, we pass a set of police, about 4 of them. They never stop me. But when we go on Dunrabin Avenue now, or Dunrabin, whatever they want to call the road there, in a town, you see 2 police. Alright. Them stop me. Them spot me from a distance I come. I say, alright, me see him step out in the road. When him pull over, me say, alright. Me aware say that go stop me because my headlight just blew out up there, so. Say, I say a ticketable offense that. And him a go ticket me. 10 grand. So me I say, officer, this is man-made, you know. This is man-made, and as I'm explaining to you, it just blew out. Right? Cause me I say, see the other one here, it good to go, but it just blew out. You see me? Normally, anytime my headlight blow out, and me put it in back myself. Me watch YouTube and me know if to do them things and put it in back myself. Right? Him not bite. He was not having it. He was not having it. Even me I said to him, say, officer, me would not drive with one headlight. I work me I come from in the night and it just gone out.
Listen.
But come to think of it now, when time I come home, if you can look right in here, so you realize that light are shining there, so my headlight don't blow. Because me don't put no bonnet in me. Just reach home and I do the video. My headlight it don't blow. I drop out of the socket. See it there? Right. It fall out of the socket. So the headlight not even blow. It just fall out of the socket. So it look like say me either drop in some bad road or some patrol or something. Say drop out of the socket. Man give me 10 grand ticket.
Yeah, listen, my people.
10 grand ticket.
Listen.
No, Jamaica motorists. This is my advice, and this is when me see the state of this new traffic acting you are going now. It's as if when you're traveling, for persons who have to travel at night, my advice for you is to ensure that you have an extra bulb in your vehicle. And for those people who don't know how to install them own bulb in a them headlight, when a goose get cooked, is either on a have a mechanic pass standby or an electrician or something. Bear in mind also, I was explaining to this officer that officer, the first thing in the morning I go start out my headlight because it just blow out. I see they are not even blow out. It fall out of the socket. So I have to go pull the bonnet now, which are easy thing that and push it back in the socket. Because see that it's still a shine. The headlight is still shining, so fall out of the socket. Right? Fall out of the socket. Alright, so for argument's sake, I blow it, did blow. Because see that my headlight don't blow. You just need to push him back. Because see, all of the light are shine inside of the bonnet there. But say for argument's sake now, a blow it did blow. You tell me say no, the auto place them have to go start open at night. The auto place them have to go start open at night to facilitate motorists who a drive at night and them headlight just bam blow out. Or motorists have to go start travel with an additional bulb in a them car. Because this is the thing gone. Right? So this officer failed to use his discretion, never that take no talk. Probably him heart no soft like the 4 police when they pass up the road. Him never that take no talk. Right? So this is how I get an unnecessary 10 grand ticket in a Jamaica in a the night as a law abiding citizen where work hard I come from work and as a young youth too. Boy, it's really rough. It really sad in this country. I always say this. It's sad in the country. The country. It's sad.
Hold on.
It's sad and to me it seems as if the police, and I'm bashing but it seems as if the police is more successful at targeting motorists rather than the real criminals who are out there. And it's just the plain truth. That is just the plain truth. That is just the plain truth. So now, I go fly my bonnet. Because if I'm wrong, I go fly my bonnet now. I fly my bonnet now and see. Show no. Come on. Fly the bonnet. See there? So said, so done. See there? See my headlight there? I fall out of the socket.
So I go on this
and just like that, me get 10 grand ticket. Come say, me I drive with one headlight. See there, my headlight, see there? Fall out of the socket. Fall out of the socket. Jamaica, this can't continue now. This cannot continue. This cannot continue. So imagine while a lady now, come from work, or I come from wherever in the night, and something like this reach her. Say her headlight blow out. Shall I get a ticket? Just blow, shall I get a ticket? Shall I get a ticket? But the officer will give me the 10 grand ticket. I hope you see this. See there? Hope you are seeing this. Fall out of the socket, my boss. The bulb not even did blow. Fall out of the socket. See it there? Fall out of the socket. So when I push it in back now. See it there? When I push it in back now, what that you see? What that you see? Clear headlights. Clear headlight.
Alright, my people. So I want to go up and hear what the person said in that video and tell me what I think about the words that the person said, my people. Because on a real, I'm only going by words that the person said in that video. Now, hear what I'm going to say now. Now, I am not Mr. Know-it-all, and I do not know if the government of Jamaica have a warning system for motorists when it comes on to the Road Traffic Act. You see me? Yeah, but I'm wondering if there's any form of warning system. See me I say, but you see, now here's my idea of what I think the warning system should be when it comes on to the Road Traffic Act. See? Yes, so if it was up to me, I think that there should be a warning system for good law-abiding citizens or motorists. A warning system where if a police stop a motorist because of, like say, a light bulb blow upon the motor vehicle, like the headlamp or indicator or brake light, see, then I think that the motorist should get a warning. You understand? Yes, so the warning should be for certain traffic offenses, not all of the traffic offenses them. You understand? But for certain traffic offenses, like say light bulbs or so upon the motor vehicle. You see me I say? Yeah, I think that the warning system should be set like this, where, you know, the person's driver's license and the motor vehicle's number on the license plate should be somewhat put in a database or on a website. And there should be a certain amount of time when it comes down to the warning, like say maybe 24 hours or 18 hours or whatsoever. You understand me? And that person should also give the police an email address or a phone number so that a message can be sent to the person to make the person know, say, yo, this is your warning. So you see, anytime that amount of time expire, then you, the motorist, have nobody to blame but yourself if police stop you and give you a ticket, or maybe worse than a ticket, see me, depending on what the offense or offenses be. You understand? So that's my idea of what I think the warning system should be like. You understand me? Now, again, I don't know if there's a warning system when it comes down to the Road Traffic Act. I don't know. You understand? So I'm only telling you what I think the warning system should be like. You see me? I say, yeah, give a motorist like about 2 days for certain traffic offenses, you know, as a form of warning. You understand? Because my people, look at it now. See, you drive from out of your yard or out of your garage and go on the road with everything working on your motor vehicle, and you know that everything is working properly on your motor vehicle, especially if your motor vehicle brand new. And then while driving, something go wrong, maybe a light bulb blow or something, and then maybe a police stop you, and maybe the police give you a ticket, and you know that everything was working on your motor vehicle when you leave your home or your yard or out of your garage. See? Now, them kind of situations then are going to make me feel as if me dey on edge at all times, because while driving, me I worry, say, boy, I wonder if this I go, I wonder if that I go, I wonder if that I go, because me don't want to get no ticket. See? And motor vehicles are made by man. They are made by man. At times they will malfunction or even stop work. You understand? So that's my idea of what I think a warning system should be when it comes on to the Road Traffic Act. My people, you can tell me what you think about what I said. You understand me? And to be honest, I don't know everything. I'm not sure if there's one, but if there's one, let me know. Alright, so yes, I left it still, my people. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.